So start off by telling us a little bit about yourself, your background, and how you got to where you are today.
Yeah, I'm happy to do that. So first of all, I'm a husband and a father of two wonderful daughters who I adore dearly and have made me a better person and leader and just overall human being. So if it's one thing I hope to be remembered for, it's that. Professionally, I'm one of those people who I at least consider myself quite lucky. I found a computer in my uncle's attic when I was 8 years old, a TI-99 that came with a programming book that I started writing code on and became hooked right away. Always very good at math and sciences, and perhaps didn't take any other subjects as seriously as I ought to have growing up. But when I went to college, it was very clear that to me anyway, that I would study computer science, and I did that. I started my career in 2001 at Bloomberg as a software engineer, and I spent 11 years there, holding a variety of different engineering and product leadership roles, building a number of things for Wall Street professionals, professional sports teams, fantasy sports enthusiasts, and a lot of different application developers across Bloomberg. And in 2012, I had the opportunity to go be the CIO at Dow Jones to really help a 125-year-old at the time institution really think differently about its technology capabilities and how they could be used to really power the business instead of be thought of as a cost center that's there not necessarily to be a competitive differentiator. And that's kind of where I got my first taste for what public cloud could do for an organization. And I became a meaningful AWS customer over those years. And in 2014, I ended up joining AWS as our head of enterprise strategy, a role I did, and I think we'll talk about shortly, for a couple of years before founding AWS Data Exchange and launching that service in 2019. And then over the course of the last year, my responsibilities have expanded to also look after all of AWS Marketplace's businesses, inclusive of Data Exchange, but also our third-party software and professional services businesses, and then a small portfolio of services we call control services that enterprise customers use to govern the way they move and operate their cloud environments.